Nasa mo yan dyan, Brad? Nasa mo. Turning on the light, please prepare this time. The power of the sea reigns all over the land, and nobody cares to give a helping hand. Weary souls are screaming out in pain. The blinded hearts are howling in vain. Each careless step leads to a grave. Swimming against an enormous wave. Eternal salvation is all I need. Loving mercy is all I pray. Oh Lord, grant my heart's desire that I not perish in the lake of fire. Oh God,
Ops, tanong tayo dito. Ops, tara. Boss, pwede magtanong, boss? Saan po dito yung ano? Barangay tapat ng iglesia po. Doon pa po. Barangay Makapud po. Makabud po, Makabud. Ito po. Pababa po. Apo. Tapos po. Pa Rodriguez Rizal na po.
Pwede po lang yung may mismong terminal niya yung purok sa
Salamat po. Apo. Dito po kami, no? Apo, salamat po. Lead me to the ass with the unheard truth. Ang layo pala na ito. Napakalayo. Sulit gaya namin dito. Hindi pa kami makakabalik agad. Pero ang ganda dito no? Yung simple lang yung buhay no, Brad. Ayun kasi namin kasama, mahala ka no. Yun ayun o, driver namin o, yan. Basang sisiw na kami dito, naghahalap na, nagugutom na kami. Set me free, set me free. Eternal salvation is all I need. With loving mercy is what I pray. All your dead hearts beside, that I not perish in the lake of fire. Oh God, save me from the Oops, iglesia, parang malapit na tayo ah. Sige. Like gypsy, lead me to the path for the unheard truth. Sige, Brad, sige. Hanap ako eh. So kaya dito yung iglesia na yun.
Eternal salvation is all I need. Lead me to the path. The unheard truth, the unheard truth. We are all living in a perilous time. Standing on the light is a heinous lie. The power of the sea reigns all over the land, and nobody cares to give a helping hand. Weary souls are screaming out in pain. The blinded hearts are howling in vain. Each careless step leads to a grave. swimming
Daming ano ka?
against an enormous wave.
Te, pwede po magtanong, te? Saan po itong ano, Barangay Makabud po? Eh yung ano po, yung Iglesia ni Cristo po? Purok 6 po, Purok 6. Malayo pa po. Ah, sige po, salamat po. Diretso pa daw. Salamat po. Salamat po. Wow, ang sarap ng trip natin ngayon. Lead me to the past with the unheard truth. Yo, papunta namin yung Rodriguez Rizal, no? Driver namin, gutom na, oh, halata.
Those who seek the light will surely find rest for the soul and a tired mind.
Ito talaga dito.
Eternal salvation is all I need. Your loving mercy is why I breathe. Oh Lord, grant my heart's desire that I not perish in the lake of fire. Oh God, save me from the bondage of life. Don't let my inner man suffer and die. Save me from the world in a white shirt suit. Lead me to the past with the onward truth.
Yun, nawawala na kami ng signal.
Is my heaven in reflection? Tower of perfect protection.
Tama pala ano ko. Tama pala wish ko.
Oo. Kaso pali tayo dun sa may, ano, sa may...
Hindi, may daan to kaya nga lang. Napalapit niya. Kaya nga lang papalit tayo ng mga ano, ng mga entrance fee.
Mga tol, no?
Eternal salvation is all I need. Your loving mercy is why I breathe. Oh Lord, grant my heart's desire that I not perish in the lake of fire. Oh Lord, save me
Wow!
suffer and die.
Wow!
Save me from the wolf in a white shit suit. Lead me to the
Past with the unheard truth. Oops! Parang din yata yung ayan si Brad. Parang dun yata. Balik tayo, Brad. Tapos tanong tayo dun. May nakita akong ano dun ng INC. May nakasulat na INC.